Hey guys, it's Layla back with the tour of all of her squishies. So let's just get right into it because I have a ton. First, starting off with the store, they're kind of all scattered. I got the glitter dumpling. It's the pink holographic one, I'm pretty sure. It's just the OG one. And then I have this slow rise loaf of bread. They were organized at one point, but they're not really organized anymore. This drawer is supposed to be the Nido drawer, but I have like a ton of stuff in it. Then I have the Nido lava lamp. The slow rise dumpling. I love slow rise squishies. Then I have this slow rise, not like slow rise, this wildcat Nido, the first. Then I have the purple mini cube from Five Below. Then I have this jumbo cat. I have this blue slime ball. It's like the water slime inside. Then I have this hamster, and whenever you squeeze its face, the cheeks pop out. It's really cool. It's like very nice. Then I have this blue gummy bear, but it pops, so I don't squeeze it. And oh, this one's my least favorite squishy I have. I just bought this one too, but it's a another slime ball. It's black on the inside. It was a mesh ball, but I cut it open. Then I have this blue / purple scented gummy bear. This one's blueberry, I think. Yeah. Then I have this yellow mustard. I have some mini golden dumpling. I'm sleeping on my chair. I have the marble Nido. And I have the mini teal cool cat. I used that all 4, but I kind of gave some away. Then I have this gem. The pink one. This squeezy, the brand is Squeezy. It's this little just gem. Then I have this sunset. It's an orange sunset dumpling. Kind of slow rise. It's really nice. I'm gonna buy this one. It's kind of popped. So it popped. Yeah. It's like just pink groovy glob. Then I have the pizza Nido. Purple blue splat. Another mini cool cat, the pink one. This one's so cute. I really like this one. It's the peach. I have purple gummy bear. This one's actually not popped, so I can squeeze it. Then I have the yellow color tendon Nido. Very nice. Pink cool cat. I have this Target brand squishy. Peace heart. It's so hard. The purple cool cat. Then the pink soccer ball from the Hot Shots. Orange glow in the dark cube. Trying to do a speed run, I promise. This Nido cake. Orange ice cream. Egg. Pink jellyfish. Nido. Swirl iceberg. And then I have the OG cube. Now for the bottom drawer, I have the corporate cow in green, a sugar dumpling, the Morning Express. I have this crystal. It's so good. Then I have this sugar baby. Nerd. Capybara. Fake iceberg. It's so good. Please don't mind this one. This one's a mess. It's really bad, but it's this shirt. I used to have a purple one, but I traded it. My best friend. This axolotl. I have the pink sugar duck. I have this armless goose. Jumbo tie-dye duck. It's really nice. It's like kind of slow rise. We have this stretchy dude. Very nice. This dog. A kind of splat gold ball. Specs donut. Gumdrop. It's a fake Nita gumdrop. It's not Nita, but this turtle. Jumbo long duck. Please don't mind this butter. It's gone through a lot, but slow rise butter. Mini purple dumpling. Red gummy bear. It's just purple cube. This frog has little beads inside. It's really good. I have this duck. We are not gonna mind this, but it's another duck that has no air in it. A plush squishy. This Orbeez. Crushed all the Orbeez in it. Then I have this sugar bear. Then I have this cake, Smushment cake. Sorry, this one's a little bit higher. This jumbo axolotl. This brain. The smiley face one. You can't really see it that well. But then I have another gummy bear. Very good, nice. This pink sugar cube. Purple sugar one. Sorry. Light purple dumpling. I have a lot of dumplings. This watermelon squishy. This fake glitter dumpling. Pink dumpling. Light pink. This teal dumpling. This coral dumpling. This one's my favorite, except for my glitter one. I have this fake pink dumpling. Light blue dumpling. This strawberry butter. This rainbow dumpling. This one's from like a series a long time ago. I have this blue dumpling. I have another light purple dumpling. I think this is light purple at least. Yellow dumpling, I'm pretty sure. Sorry, I can't really see in these colors. This lighting. Purple, dark purple dumpling. green gummy bear. Lime scented. This gummy worm. It's not that good in my opinion, but it might be some good to other people. Dark blue dumpling. Another, another dark purple dumpling. Fake glitter dumpling. Hold on, this one's really big. This jumbo brain. It's a water brain though. This another light blue dumpling. Pink fuzzball Mito. Strawberry. Very good. This black dumpling. This one's so good. I love this one. This croissant. And then I also have this yellow sunset dumpling. I have this jumbo blue ball. Some people say it's purple ball. Which people I don't know. But is this blue or purple? I think it's blue. Which, let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna leave the light on for the rest of the video. Okay. I have my bigger squishies now. I don't like this. The cheese is so overrated. I hate it. Okay. Then we have jumbo butter. So good. This bread, I haven't seen anyone talk about this one. The jumbo bread. I got this a long time ago, but it's bread, yeah. Ooh, banana. Okay. Carrot. Pickle. Slow rise. Bucky. Not really that slow rise, but yeah. And then I have this pink. Make sure I don't have anything else. I have so many squishies. This pink duck. I have a few more in my living room. I don't feel like grabbing those. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys have a great day, night, morning, evening, whatever you guys it is. So bye guys. Love you.